Today's video, we're about to go over why affiliate marketing is the best side hustle you probably already heard of.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
So the last couple side hustle videos I gave y'all, they've been a little negative, right? The first one I was like, listen, this is what you need to stay away from, man. This is what you need to expect. And some people took the DoorDash video as like, don't do it. That ain't what I was saying. But anyways, and then the last week's side hustle is the scams that you need to stay away from when you're doing the focus groups. So I wanted to get into a little more of a positive nature. If these are the things that you should stay away from, and these are the things that you shouldn't do, what should you be doing? How can you make an extra couple dollars online? How can you supplement your income with your talents and your skills and then give it to the world and eventually retire from your job? Quit letting your boss stress you out, or just create that financial freedom that you've been looking for.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Yeah! That side hustle is affiliate marketing. But let's go back a little bit. What is affiliate marketing? Because we need to start from the beginning. Affiliate marketing is a program that companies have created to have you, the everyday individual, share their experience with a certain product or service, and in exchange for your marketing, you get compensated. You're doing what the billboards do. You're doing what the commercial does. So in exchange for them not having to spend as much money on billboards and commercials, they pay you a percentage of the sales that you generate. So if you tell somebody about some lotion and they go buy it, you get paid. You tell somebody where you got the water and they shop for the water where you got your water, you get paid. So affiliate marketing online specifically, especially on YouTube, has become this little gimmicky thing. You go to ClickBank or you go to Digistore24, you get the highest paying affiliate program, and then you gear all of your attention and you create content all around that. That's not necessarily how it was built, and the people that are making millions instead of just the hundreds of thousands and actually making, because a side note to that, there's a lot of people that's going to teach you about affiliate marketing and they're actually making sales, but you got to ask yourself, do you want their life? They're spending $50,000 to make $100,000. Now they're profiting 50, and a 50 does sound lovely, but why you got to spend so much to make so little? And it's because they're not necessarily building an audience, right? And then super serving that audience. And that's all you have to do when it comes to affiliate marketing. You can find products that benefit musicians. Let's say you love music and you like talking about your guitar. You can find affiliate programs that benefit musicians, introduce your audience to the program that benefits musicians, and then you take a cut. You don't necessarily have to run ads to try to run the sales up. You understand what I'm saying? So that's what affiliate marketing is. So now let's get into the best way to have success with affiliate marketing. And in my opinion, and from what I've seen, the best way to have success is to do what you already do. Do what you love doing. You love food, you eat food, but build an audience around food. Build your food TikTok, right? You love creating, you love video games. Keep doing that, but document it. Create your video game streaming YouTube channel, and then as you're creating a community, find things that are adjacent to people that also love video games, right? If GameWorks or GameStop has an affiliate program, get on there and say, hey, what's going on with this affiliate program? If somebody buys the new 2K through you, they get a discount and you get a percentage. So now you have a benefit for why someone would shop with you as opposed to going to the store. You're the trusted source already. You're already introducing them to the understanding how the game works. You are the professional. So all you have to do is continue serving your audience. But affiliate marketing has become, hey, get this affiliate program and then get on Pinterest. And then, so yes, you can do it that way, but you're not building an audience that's loyal to you. You're not creating customers that care about you, and they're not buying because they don't understand that you care about them. But if you understand that, then you can do what you already love doing. I'm talking about everything from A to Z. You love makeup. There's affiliate programs for makeup. You're a do-it-yourself hardware guy or gal. There's affiliate programs at Lowe's and Home Depot. When they buy the stuff from Lowe's and Home Depot, you get a discount. You're a person that loves home decor. Amazon has one of the biggest affiliate programs. And when you do the tutorial on how you changed your living room around, or you turn the bedroom and increase the space and built your own closet, the stuff that you ordered from Amazon, you can create a store, and then the people can then go to your customized store and buy the things that you used or similar things, and then take that inspiration that you created and then you turn that into income. I'm talking about all the way to the people that from the community that I'm from, right? If you in the streets and you feel like whatever illegal activity is the way, affiliate marketing could be a good alternative for you, because there are affiliate programs that actually pay you to use cannabis products. You know what I'm saying? Like you trying to get, listen, you trying to blaze. Is it 420? Oh, you getting high today? It's Friday. There's affiliate programs that pay you to market and share marijuana-based products with others. So you just have to understand that, A, it exists, because I personally didn't understand it exists for a long time. Because A, as soon as you understand it exists, you can start looking for affiliate products that could benefit your lifestyle, things that you can replace that'll pay you. So then when somebody asks, where'd you get that? How much did it cost? Ooh, I like that. Where'd you buy that? You can actually tell them exactly. Listen, not, oh, I went over to the Nike store. No, because Nike has an affiliate program too. I didn't get the J's from Nike. This is where I got the J's. I'll send you the direct link so you can get first access to them before anybody does. That sound cool? Great. Now every time they buy a set of Nikes, you get paid. So affiliate marketing may be the thing that you might have already heard. It's going crazy online, so you might have already heard about it, but only from the context that you gotta set it up a certain way. You gotta have a certain type of website, and you gotta create these funnels, and you gotta pick these products that you don't give a damn about, you ain't never seen, you don't know the company from Tom or Dick. You don't know what's going on. Or, right, you were like me, you've never heard about affiliate marketing at all. And what I want to do is let you know that it might be the way to create that financial stability you've been looking for. Because they're like, everybody need energy drinks, right? Monster and those companies create these energy drinks that kill our system. There are natural energy-based companies that have affiliate programs. You can get paid to tell people how to stay awake. You share energy drinks already at work. Every time you drink a cup of coffee, do you get paid? Every time you go to Starbucks, you're promoting Starbucks. They say, what kind of drink is that? When you tell them, do you get paid?
No.
Not. So why you keep giving your recommendations for free? As soon as you understand affiliate marketing, you understand the power of recommendation, the power of a referral, and the power of your word and the things that you believe in. When you vote with your dollar, why not vote on yourself? And that's all you're doing when you get into and understand the nuances of affiliate marketing. And with that being said, guys, this is my review of this week's side hustle. And I sincerely want to tell you, I'm going to be going hard, and I want y'all to understand how to go hard as well. So we'll see you guys next week.
Better. I remember when that hunger left me. What else? Remember when it came back, made me something special.
All right. So listen, as usual, right? Like, share, subscribe, do all the stuff that y'all know. You know the stuff that y'all supposed to do. Do the stuff for me. I appreciate you. And this week, we gonna send a sincere rest in peace to my man back there.
Negro is to be free. He must move down into the inner resources of his own soul and sign with a pen and ink of self-assertive manhood his own Emancipation Proclamation.